The Nike Pegasus Premium continues to build massive hype as one of 2025's breakout models, quickly becoming a strong contender for future classic status. This ultra-cushioned road runner blends lifestyle appeal with proven performance, similar to past Air Max favorites, making early releases extremely hard to secure. As it nears its first-year anniversary, Nike prepares a fresh women's colorway for spring 2026, spotlighting a stylish mix of barely grape across the upper and deeper purple accents on branding and the molded Zoom Air unit. Bright red detailing on the Nike WHQ coordinates and ReactX cushioning adds contrast without overpowering the look. Expected to drop through Nike and select retailers, the Pegasus Premium Hyper Grape will retail for $220 in women's sizing. This upcoming release strengthens the model's rising reputation and positions it as a must-watch sneaker in next year's lineup, perfect for collectors and runners tracking 2026 drops.